So if it's not just at a single fixture, for example, a lot of times folks will call us up and they'll go, just my master shower has really low water pressure. And they won't be able to tell me if it's hot or cold water because, well, we always put the handle in the middle when we shower. And we show up and it turns out it's just a clogged shower head. So those are easy things that a homeowner can check. Beyond that, if it's not coming from anything local, then you'll want a plumber to look at why isn't the water pressure from the water heater getting to where it needs to go. That could be new cartridges inside some of the faucets. That could be maintenance or repair work on your tankless water heater or your tank water heater. So beyond the basic stuff, checking, cleaning aerators, filters, things like that, there's not a lot a homeowner can dig into if the water pressure is getting bad.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.